have a pencil? Does everyone need a pencil? Or do we have a pencil?
I don't have
I want you to look into your pencil pouch real fast and see if you have a pencil.
I like my pencil over here. I don't see one. I thought you got. Yeah.
I see you got pencils. You're good there.
Yeah. That's all I'm going to
Okay. Let's review fact families really fast. When we have a fact family, we have 3 numbers, right? When we have 3 numbers, can we put in a different number?
No.
No. Why? Why is that? Right. So if I have numbers 3, 5, and 8, can I add a 4 to that?
No.
Why not?
Because you already have 3 numbers.
Right. So if I'm going to do an addition problem, I could have 3 plus 5 equals 8. What's another way that I could do it, JoJo?
5. I don't have it.
I'll get you one in a little bit. Ember.
5, 3, 8.
Good. What about subtraction? When I'm subtracting, do I start with the bigger number or the smaller number?
Bigger number. Bigger number.
When I'm subtracting?
Bigger number.
Bigger number. So I have 8 minus 5, and that equals
3.
How else would I write it? Penelope.
3, 5.
8 minus 3 equals 5. So, did I use all 3 of my numbers each time?
Yes.
Do I have them in the same order?
Yes.
I don't have them in the same order. I added and I subtracted. Good. All right. So, here's what we're going to do. I'm going to give you a paper. You're going to write your first and last name on it and the dates, and then we're going to work on this together as a learning activity. If you don't have a pencil, there's pencils over there in that blue container by the white chair.
Yeah. Do we have to write the date?
Yes, and the date. 11, 12, and 24 is the short form for that. Get a pencil and go. It shouldn't take you that long to get a pencil.
Are we giving it to you or Miss Knox?
Me back. That's my pencil.
I was finna write 2024. It is 2024.
It is 2024. It's 11, 12, and 24. Okay.
I said 220.
I'm waiting for everyone's name to be on the paper. Come on. All right. So in the first box, it says, what number is this? When we're looking at what number is this, earlier we learned about tens and ones, right? So how many tens do we have?
40.
I have 40 tens, okay?
Why is it like this?
It's just how it was done. Now, how many ones do I have?
6.
I have 6. So I have 40 tens and 6 ones. If I put it together,
46.
I have 46. what did we do to put it together? We added. Very good. So on your paper, you need to write what I just wrote on the board. 40 plus 6 equals 46. So that's how you got your answer. Bravo. Bravo.
I don't know. 3 plus 3.
We're not there yet. We're not there yet. We're not there yet. All right. Can I move on?
Yay!
Patience, are we good? Okay. Amber, are we good? Penelope, are we good? Okay. All right. Now, I have write the value of the coin. On your paper, we have pennies. How do I know that's a penny?
It's 4. Because it's 1 cent.
That's 1 cent. So if I have 4 pennies, I have how many? 4. So you need to write 4 cents. So you need to write a 4 and then the cent sign. If a cent sign is not on there, I'm going to think that you're saying the answer is 4. That's a dollar sign. I shouldn't be here and laughing. You need to write 4 cents, please. 4 cents, please. Good. 4 cents. Very good.
We have 2 more to go.
Alrighty. Now, the next section we see on our paper is a big circle. All right. What numbers do I have in my big circle?
3 plus 3, 5, 6 equals 8.
Oh,
3, 5, 8.
hold up. I have 3, 3, 5,
8.
and 8. Oh, this might look familiar to you.
Yeah, because
We just did it together. So, you are writing your fact families. Remember, you only use the 3 numbers that are given to you to add and subtract. All right, so when we have 3, 5, and 8, we are adding and then we are subtracting. When we're adding, we use our smaller numbers first because the bigger number is always your answer. So please show me on your paper what you should be doing. We're right here.
Can you subtract? No.
Oh, I love how quiet we're being and you're focused on solving your answers. Good job. Okay, so I have 3 plus 5 equals 8. What's another way I could do it if I'm adding? Ember.
5, 8, 3.
5 plus 3 equals 8. Okay. Now I'm subtracting. What number goes at the very front?
8.
8. So Penelope, 8 minus what number?
3 minus 3 equals 5.
Good. So I have 8 minus 3 equals 5. Then what else should I have? I have 8 minus what?
3.
Jeremiah. 8 minus what?
5.
8 minus 5 equals
3.
3. So you should have this written inside your circle. Most of y'all already had it already done, so we did it together. But please make sure you have all 4 of those in your circle. The fact family, you have to have 4 because you have 3 numbers and you use them 4 times. Yes, ma'am.
After the 5, what is that?
Equal sign. Give me a thumbs up when you have finished writing those 4 things so I know we can move on. Okay.
Where is it?
Okay. Okay. Now, we have, it says, draw a picture to help you answer the story problem. Do I have a volunteer that wants to read the story problem for me? Anthony, read it for me. There
were 5
bunnies
bunnies on the grass. 3
hopped
hopped
away. How many
are left?
Thank you, Anthony, for reading. Now,
Can I do it? Wait.
hold on. How are we going to solve this problem? Do we know? What do we know? What do we already know? That there were how many bunnies?
5.
And there were how many? And 3 hopped away. So, but it wants to know how many are left. How many are left means we are going to?
Subtract.
We're going to subtract. So, I have 5 bunnies minus 3, and that's going to be our answer. So, but I need you to show me your work on your paper, because if you just say the answer is 3 or the answer is 4, how do I know how you solved your problem? Right here, please. So if we didn't want to do 5 minus 3 on paper and we wanted to do it in our head, what number do I put in my head to count backwards?
5.
5. Now, if I wanted to use my number line instead, I could hop backwards by putting my finger on 5 and going back by 3, right? So, Bailey, what's 5 minus 3?
5 minus 3 is 2.
Do we agree with Bailey? 5 minus 3 is 2? Do we agree?
Yes!
We agree. It is 2. But let's just check anyways. On the number line, we're at 5, right? Let's count backwards by 3. You ready? 1, 2, 3. Our answer is
3.
Answer is 2.
3.
Okay? Does everyone have that written down on the paper?
Yes.
All right. And the last one. Are we ready?
Oh, which color is 3?
Now, which color is there 3 of them?
Green.
Now look at your chart. On your chart, you'll have blue, red, and green, right? And on the side, you have 0, 2, 4, and 6. Which one has 3? It only wants to know which one has 3.
Red. Green. No, green. No.
When we're looking at our graph, blue has 3. Red has 4. And green has 6.
I thought it said which one was the longest, and I knew it was green.
All right, look at my board, guys. Look at the board. It wants to know which color is there 3 of. Now, when you see the 2 and the 4, and it's right in the middle right there, that means it's 3. Okay? So, when you're looking at the graph, either on your paper or on the board, which color is between the 2 and the 4? Blue. Because red goes all the way up to 4, and green goes all the way up to 6.
Yeah.
So which color has 3?
Red.
Blue.
Blue.
Why does Ethan? Tell me why you said red. You're not. I'm not saying you're wrong. I'm not saying you're right. But tell me what. Why do you say it's red? Talk to me. What's red sitting at? 4. What's green sitting at?
6.
So this is sitting at 4. This is sitting at 6. And blue is sitting at 2? It's right here in the middle. So it's sitting at 3. What did the question ask us?
What color is?
Hey, he's reading, not you.
Which color is 3 of?
So which color is 3 of? Ethan, which one has 3?
Blue.
Blue. So please write blue down as your answer. On that line, please write blue. How are we feeling on this? This is all review, right? We've already covered this information. It's just a review, right? Okay, so here's what I want you to do now. I want you to put that paper to the side.
In a red color?
Put it to the side. Doing this quietly, please. Okay, now. Oh, my internet's down. It's coming back.
Oh man, I need to play blue.
It's coming. It's thinking.
Yes.
While it's thinking, it's sweet. It's there. All right. We're going to do some reviewing on some adding. Now, we're going to play a little game. It's called Let's Shoot Hoops, addition to 10. Now, I have 2 plus 4 that equals. Now, what you're going to do when I call you up, you're going to take whatever ball it is and you're going to drag it to the hoop. Okay? So, all together, class. 2 plus 4 is 6. So, I'm going to drag my 6 over and put it in the basket. And then I'm going to hit submit. Was I correct?
Yes.
Yes, I was.
You got 19 points.
Correct. All right. So, let's see. Who's been quiet and paying attention this whole entire time? Ember, come up and answer 6 plus 3 for me, please. Six plus 3. And you can always use the number line on the bottom if you need to. Look it hard. I think it froze.
7 rolls is the board.
No, the internet's slow.
I think you have to use the pen.
You don't have to use the pen.
You can't use the pen because it don't work. It
The
does.
pen does work.
It does. You just don't have
Oh, I'm noticing we have a lot of talking right now. Even when the board's having issues thinking, should you be talking?
No. No.
No, you shouldn't.
Somebody say yes.
All right, Ember, what's 7 plus 2? Put 7 in your head and hop up to 2. It is 9. Okay. Oh, there we go. All right. Penelope. 4 plus 1 is
5.
5. Do you want me to try and do it, or do you want to do it? Come try. There you go. And then hit submit. There you go. Good job. 2 plus 7, Patience. Click it and then drag it. There you go. Good job. Trenton, come on. 5 plus 5. Submit. Good. 6 plus 2, JoJo. Now, when JoJo's up here at the board solving, shouldn't y'all be solving too?
Yeah.
Okay. So 6 plus 2, you should be looking at your number line or counting in your head. Now pull it. And then submit. Good job. 6 plus 2 is 8. Good job. Bailey, come on. Your name's Bailey, right?
I thought you said
no. Bailey, what's 6 plus 4? Oh, I like how you did use your number line to hop.
Oh, you
All right, let's see it.
This is so easy.
And Anthony, come on.
Huh?
You're coming.
We're going to do it again, aren't we? Submit.
Good job, Anthony.
You don't have to jump.
Penelope, you've already gone. Ethan, come on. Good job. And Jeremiah, come on.
Is that who's the last one? JoJo.
Yes, you did. All right, very good. Makai, come in and get unpacked. All right, so we just did that. So what I want us to do now is I want us to do a little review.
Awesome.
It was being mean, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Okay, so all right, so when I throw the ball, I want you to catch it, and I'm going to ask you an addition problem, or I might ask you a 10 to 1 question, or I might ask you a money question, okay?
What's that money?
Like how many quarters, dimes, nickels, etc. Okay? Okay, so when I throw the ball, you're going to catch the ball, okay? After the ball is caught, are you going to throw it back at me? No, you're going to hold it and answer the question, and then you're going to give it back to me, okay? All right. Penelope, are you ready?
Do we stand up?
No. All right. Penelope, what if I have 2 10s and 2 1s? What's my answer? It is 22. Good job. Patience, are you ready? Oh, we don't need those side comments right now. Thank you. Patience, what's 7 plus 2? Oh, I liked how you used your number line. Good job.
Oh, 2
No, hey, you should have given it to me. Thank you. Okay. Makai, get all your stuff and go to class next door. Ethan. All right, Ethan. If I have a quarter is worth how much?
2 plus 4.
Very good. If I have a quarter and a dime put together, a dime is worth how much?
10.
So I have a quarter plus a dime. That makes how much change? Good job. All right, Jeremiah, you ready? All right, Jeremiah. If I have 5 tens and 5 ones, how many do I have?
6.
5 tens and 5 ones. 50,
1.
50,
51. 55.
55. Thank you.
Good catch. And then I'll good catch. What in the world? It's not funny.
All right. Oh. Anthony, hold that ball. All right, Anthony. I have. I'm gonna give you a word problem. You ready? There were 8 dogs and 5 cats. How many animals in all do I have? Uh-huh. Good job. All right, Trenton, you ready? All right, Trenton. I have 1 penny. A penny is worth how much? And I have a dime. A dime is worth. So 10 plus 1 is. So turn your head and count up by 1.
So
10 plus 1. Hop it. It's 11. So if I have. Okay, cool. All right, so okay, as with me. If I had a dime that is 10 cents and a penny that is 1 cent, 10 plus 1 is
6, 8.
10 plus 1 is 11.
I love it.
We're reviewing right now, and so I don't know what I'm going to do yet. JoJo. If I have 2 plus 5, what do I have? Good job. Who has not had a chance to go? Jeremiah, you went. Bailey. You went.
That's my dog. Did not mean to. That was a good throw.
All right. All right, Bailey. What were my instructions to do? To hold that ball and not let it go.
You not hold that ball to a foot.
All right, Bailey. What's 6 plus 4?
6 plus 4?
Mm-hmm. Well, I like how you're using your number line.
Stop saying it. 3. It's 2. 1.
Yes.
I don't think I can throw.
You can do it. All right. Has everyone had a chance to go?
You
Ember.
I didn't get a chance. I did not get a chance.
Patience did it. Yes, you did. Yes, I did. Yes, Ember. What?
Ember's the last one. All right, Ember. I have 3 10s and 4 1s. What answer do I have? I have 3 10s and 4 1s. So if I have 3 10s, I have how many?
That's a hard one.
All right, if I have 3 tens and 4 ones. 34. Ding, ding, ding.
Go!
Ding,
Go, girls one.
All right.
I won.
So, move the ball on. Today, we have reviewed our ones and tens. We have reviewed our graphs. We have reviewed fact families. And we have reviewed adding, right? Okay. So, what we're going to do now is we're going to switch over to social studies.
Let's go. What's social studies?